Hello, it's High Tech All. You are watching Top 5 Best Smoke Detector. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. Volt Smoke Detector. Decoy Wi-Fi Smoke Detector, alerts via email or phone app. View and record live streaming on Android or iOS smartphones. Able to operate in low light. Equipped with motion detection or continuously recording functionality. Number 4. First Alert Smoke Detector. Keep your family safe with the 6-pack of hardwired smoke alarms. The battery backup means constant monitoring, even if there's a power failure. Equipped with both a photoelectric and ionization sensor to quickly detect both fast-burning and smoldering fires, which alerts you with an 85 decibel alarm. Number 3. AES Spy Cameras Wi-Fi Smoke Detector. 16 GB Miracle SD card included, supports up to 64 GB Miracle SD card. This camera supports remote view, remote playback and mobile alert. Connects to your Wi-Fi network. Streams live video feed from anywhere. Number 2. Alexa-enabled smoke detector. Get remote notifications of an emergency in your home for 24/7 safety, plus track carbon monoxide levels, customize night lights, and more, using First Alert's OnLink Home app. Number 1. Xsense Smoke Detector. 10-year battery life, advanced detection technology, 3-color LED indicator, premium quality material, dust-proof function, test silence button, 85 decibels buzzer,